So I'm leaving the Tatsumi parking area on the Fukagawa Line, Route 9. What you notice is actually on the left you can see these sound barriers. And let me talk about them a little bit. The parking area, obviously Tatsumi parking area, has been a very popular place for years for people obviously to come in, talk about their cars, show off their cars, look at Google other cars, etc. But one of the things that everybody has been doing, and I've seen it many times myself, is that the straight out of the Tatsumi area into this into the curve leading to the Fukagawa line is a place where people just gun their cars, so creating a lot of noise, and especially so the supercar guys, you know, all the Lamborghinis out there and Ferraris that come, and anybody else, and it's not just them, it's everybody. They like to gun it, but as you guys probably know, the sound decibel level of a Lamborghini leaving is loud. So anyways, there is across the river there's a whole bunch of tall condominium buildings, and you know, for years this has been a beautiful photo opportunity spot for photographing your car at night with these buildings. But they complained. Apparently they complained because of the noise, and recently, I don't know when, but fairly recently these barriers were installed. You can still take a nice picture at Tatsumi with the backdrop of these buildings with lights at night, but now you're gonna have you know, this sound barrier at the bottom of the buildings. Takes away a little bit from the picture, but not that much. I mean, it's still a beautiful picture over there. You guys will notice in a few seconds that the road actually turns red right here. It's interesting. I mean, in Japan, somehow, not all highways obviously, but a lot of highways, they actually put a red pigment into the asphalt to indicate you know, slightly, you know, dangerous section. I wouldn't say this is a dangerous section, but it is corners, right? So it's basically sections that you should be more cautious and more careful when driving. So but it makes for an interesting road that sometimes the corners, you know, you go into a red corner. It's fun. Sometimes you know, red means go, right? Especially for drifters. I hope you guys enjoyed the drive along the Fukagawa line at night. We are slowly coming to the end of it. This Fukagawa line, Route 9, basically merges into the Mukojima line, Route 6, and then, you know, if we turn left and drive for, well, less than a minute really at this speed, you're gonna get to the C1 interloop. But thank you very much.